I think sometimes we can be too focused on that end goal and put our blinders on and
Mm.
not be open to all of the other possibilities that can happen when we are willing to say, my intention is to get to point X, and I'm open to what happens along the way. So sometimes, we can say, I'm going and I'm going to do this one thing. And, there may be a different endpoint that the universe might have in mind for you that might be even better than the one that you're pursuing.
Yes.
So I really like for people to be fully present in their journeys and be fully aware of what shows up for them in their journeys. Because it might be something they might end up somewhere better than they had ever imagined. And so
Yeah,
they don't miss the signs and opportunities.
that's so good because I think sometimes control has a way of jumping in, and we get like our hands are so tight.
Yes.
Like this has got to happen. This
Right.
has got to be the outcome. And, we need to peel back our fingertips so that we can see, like, okay, so it's a journey.